Tractor. Yeah.
Tractor.
Yeah, that's actually a steamroller, but it's a kind of tractor, I suppose. What about...
Tractor.
That's a forklift, which is also a tractor. What about this? Oh,
Tractor.
that's a tractor for sure. And what about this? Who drives that car?
Tractor.
And that's your foot on the tractor. Who drives that truck?
Mama.
Yeah, Grandma and Grandpa drive that.
No.
No.
Tractor. Tractor.
Hey, Joey.
Boo.
Boats. Yep. What's this?
Boo.
That's a boat too. And these are trains. We don't really talk about trains. And what are these?
Boo.
It's a boat. Yes, very good.
Boo.
Yeah.
Boo.
Yeah. It's a
Boo.
little boat. And then, who drives that car? These are airplanes, yeah. You say airplane again? There you go, airplane. Good job. And what's that? That is the space shuttle, which unfortunately landed for the last time yesterday. We will never live in a world of space shuttles. That's sad. It's a car, yeah, and that's a car too. And
Car.
a lot of cars on that page. Look at the end of the book. Your favorite things are. What's on this page? What's this?
Paper.
A bus, right? And what's that?
Paper.
Oh, and that's a big truck. Mm-hmm. I know, it's very exciting.
Paper.
That, I don't think it's a bus. This is a bus. This is a bus. This is a truck. And this? Also a truck. What's this? That's a Hummer. That's right. And a bike. Where's the Hummer on that page? Is there a Hummer on that page? There's a bus on that page. You're pretty sure it's on here. What? I think is that what it is? There it is. There's the Hummer. It was on the front page. Shows what I know.